Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a food seasoning business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, well, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your food seasoning business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, food seasoning. There it is over there, food seasoning manufacturer. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marcy that's a few basic details about our business. Put in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you with the information you've just put in and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites of your amazing products. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let me go ahead and show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call, by the way. And physical location, maybe you want to leave it off. Maybe you don't have an actual physical location. Maybe you're an online business, so you can leave it off. But if you put in a physical location when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Pop in the links and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a business logo, you can head on over here to upload it. Once you've done so, you can click on that pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. And here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller as well. Once you've clicked on save, over here on the right, you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, go ahead and click on that paint tin, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many options to choose from. For each section you want to make a bit more personalized, maybe you change those colors and the buttons on them. Click on update section, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. Literally got thousands of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an account. And update action, we have those call to action buttons, change the text on them, and where they're linked, you can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more information on the various spices that your business offers and a little bit more details on the pricing points for those. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here. Keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a domain yet, it's a custom one. We do recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your spice business, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.